Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to sync or add contacts on your Facebook profile to TikTok. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up your TikTok account and select the profile icon in the bottom right. Now select where it says add friends. In other versions of the TikTok app, it may be a little person icon. So it says find Facebook friends. Go ahead and select that. And then at this point, you would need to provide permission access for TikTok to access your Facebook friend list and email. You would select OK, and then you would be able to check mark friends in there that you want to add to your list. Alternatively, you can also select where it says invite friends, and then you can select the download button to save the link to your clipboard. And that's pretty much all you would have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.